Synthesia AI can really speed up your video creation process. It's easy to learn, includes over 140 languages and voices, and now comes with brand new expressive avatars that automatically change their facial expressions and tone of voice to match your script. In this video, I'll show you how easy it is to use Synthesia's video editor. I'll also reveal brand new features like multiple avatars having on-screen conversations, and they just added a new AI dubbing feature which lets you translate any video, even those not created with Synthesia. Ready to dive in? Let's get to it. To get started with Synthesia for free, just click the link in the description below. No credit card is required. Here on the home screen, you have 4 choices. You can create a new video from blank or a template, use the AI video assistant, use Dub with AI to translate and upload a video, or import a PowerPoint and convert it into a video. Let's check out the templates first. You get access to over 60 templates for a wide variety of use cases, including sales, marketing, and training, or social media. You can search for templates by style or type, and select horizontal or vertical format. I'll create a sales training video on handling customer objections and will use it to introduce you to the Synthesia video editor. Synthesia automatically creates a video that you can customize any way you like. Here on the left is where you'll see all of the scenes, and when you click on a scene, it will appear here on the main canvas. Down at the bottom, you'll find the script and timeline, and this panel on the right is where you can add animation and customize graphics. I'll click the preview button on this first slide so you can see how it works. Notice that in preview mode, you hear the narration and all of the graphic animations work, but the avatar's lips don't actually move.
Welcome to our training session on how to handle objections in sales. Today we'll learn key strategies to enhance your sales negotiations and client interactions.
Avatar lip movement only gets added when you hit this generate button in the upper right corner. That way you can do all of your design and editing and even have people give you feedback on the draft video without using up any video credits. I'll switch to scene 3 to show you how to change the avatar. First, we'll click on this avatar named Alex to select her. Then choose Replace Avatar and select another avatar from this panel. I'll choose Francesca, then I'll click Change All in the pop-up menu. Instantly, you see that Francesca has replaced Alex everywhere she appeared in the video. You can change how Francesca shows up by selecting her image, then choosing full body or circle mode. Just like any other graphic, you can resize it, move it around, or delete this image. And if you ever make a mistake, just hit the undo button. For now, I'll replace Francesca with our original avatar Alex and select Change All again. All of the text on this screen is completely editable, as well as everything you see in the script. My script happens to be written in English, but if you type a script in another language, that's no problem. Synthesia can handle scripts in over 140 languages, and more languages are being added all the time. Each avatar comes with a default voice, but you can choose another avatar voice in this menu. You can even select the tone of voice from a variety of styles, depending on what's happening in a particular scene. And these buttons let you add a pause or change the pronunciation of specific words. I've been talking a long time, let me get a drink of water. It's really easy to add animation and graphics too. Let's jump back to the first scene where Alex is introducing the video. When I press preview, notice how the graphics and text appear on screen in sync with her narration.
Welcome to our training session on how to handle objections in sales.
The graphics are tied to the words in the script with these small triangles called triggers. If you click a graphic, like this white box, you'll see it appears when she says welcome. And the script is highlighted to show the box stays on screen until she's done speaking. To add new text, graphics, and animations, use this menu at the top of the screen. For instance, I can add a triangle shape, move it to the upper right corner, and change the color to red. Then I'll select the triangle and use the animation panel to create a new trigger. I'll drag this trigger onto the script and drop it on the word sales. Now I'll hit preview. Keep an eye on the screen to see when the red triangle appears.
Welcome to our training session on how to handle objections in sales. Today we'll learn key strategies to enhance your sales negotiations and client interactions.
When you click Avatar in the top menu, you'll see the available avatars listed here. The personal avatar lets you create a digital clone of yourself, which I'll cover in a future video. Avatars with this purple icon are the new expressive avatars, like Alex. Avatars with the green lightning bolt under their picture are only available if you upgrade to a higher plan. Use the space button to change the background and search for an industry-specific background here. I'll change Alex's background to a coffee shop, and I'll delete the original office background. You can also add text, shapes, and royalty-free media like videos and images from these stock suppliers. If you don't find what you need, you can also upload your own media. You can even record your own screen with the built-in screen recorder, which can be really helpful if you're creating training. And if you ever want to change to a new screen layout, click this button here. You can also change the background color or media, get royalty-free background music, and add transitions between scenes. Synthesia's new free plan includes full access to Synthesia's video editor, 60 templates, and over 140 languages and voices. You also get access to 9 AI avatars, 2 stock personal avatars, and you can generate 3 minutes of video per month. I know 3 minutes a month doesn't sound like much, but remember, those minutes only get used when you click the Generate button. Okay, now let's take a look at Synthesia's new features. You can get access to all of these new features for free by clicking the link in the description below. Now you can have multiple avatars on screen at the same time. This can be handy for adding scenarios, role plays, or storytelling. The expressive avatars are really an amazing new feature. When you choose an expressive avatar like Alex, her voice and facial expressions automatically change to match your script. I'll update the script on this page to talk about a more serious subject like the risk of losing a client. Then I'll click Generate to add lip movement and facial expressions. You can add burned-in captions or remove the Synthesia watermark by upgrading to a paid plan. I'll skip that for now and will just click Generate. It will take several minutes to generate the video, and Synthesia will send you an email as soon as it's ready. Okay, our video is done. I'll skip to the part about losing a client, and after that, you'll see the 2 avatars having a conversation.
When a client voices an objection, they're providing insight into their needs and concerns. But it's very important that you listen carefully. When you don't, bad things can happen, and you might even lose the client. Hopefully, by following the guidelines in this training, that won't happen to you. After all, you're an empathetic listener, and that always will be helpful to our team and clients. I like the product, but I'm not sure about the implementation timeline.
Let's focus on the timeline then. What would be an ideal timeline for your team, and how can we work together to meet it?
To import a PowerPoint, click this button and all of your PowerPoint slides will automatically be converted into background scenes for your video. It can take a few minutes depending on the size of your PowerPoint deck, so I'll speed it up for this demo. Then you can add an avatar, change how they show up on screen, paste in your script, and generate the video. All of those features are pretty cool, but if you really want to supercharge your video creation, check out Synthesia's AI Video Assistant. This feature lets you turn prompts and text-heavy documents into engaging videos in minutes. To access the AI Video Assistant, you'll need to upgrade to a paid plan, which at the time of this recording is $18 per month for the annual starter plan. I'll log in with my own paid account to show you how it works. Click on the AI Video Assistant and choose how you want to start. You can upload a file like a PowerPoint, PDF, Word, or text file. You can also paste a URL, which could be a link to a blog post, landing page, or Help Center article. Or you can start with a prompt where you simply type in any video idea that you want. Or if you already have a script, just paste it here and divide it into paragraphs. Each paragraph will be transformed into its own scene. I'm going to make another video to show you how the AI Video Assistant can save you hours of time and make your life a whole lot easier. As soon as that video is available, you'll see it right here.